Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. In this video, we will review a clear example of an email asking for information. You can pause anytime if you need more time to read. This model answer addresses all 3 bullet points clearly. It introduces the sender's identity by giving name and new address, discusses their interests or hobbies, and clearly requests details about suitable activities. The email begins politely with "Dear Sir" or "Madam," which fits the formal style expected for contacting a community center. The paragraphs clearly separate information. The first paragraph gives basic details about the sender, the second paragraph explains the sender's hobbies, and the third paragraph directly requests information. Linking words such as "because," "also," and "additionally" make the email flow smoothly and help the reader follow the writer's thoughts. There are 2 useful stretch words for beginners to notice: especially, meaning particularly, and appreciate, meaning thankful or grateful. This email is formal yet friendly, which is ideal when contacting community services. It ends with a polite thank you, reinforcing a respectful tone. This explanation will help you understand why the response about the sports program scores well. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you want to read the full answer carefully. The response clearly states its choice right away, saying, "I choose option A, the sports program." It then provides two strong reasons: physical benefits and community spirit. Each reason is explained clearly with good examples. For example, the writer explains sports help people stay active and mentions soccer or basketball as clear examples. The response is well organized. It begins by stating the chosen option, then gives two clear paragraphs for each reason, and finally, a brief conclusion summarizing the main points. The semi-formal tone is suitable for a survey response, friendly yet polite. The linking words such as firstly and secondly help the reader follow the writer's ideas smoothly. Two useful stretch vocabulary words to notice are encourage, meaning to motivate someone positively, and valuable, meaning important or useful. A practical tip for beginners writing survey responses is to clearly state your choice at the start. Then give simple and clear reasons, using examples your readers can easily imagine. Doing this helps you stay organized and makes your response easy to read and understand. This explanation will show you why the response choosing arts classes scores well. You can pause the video anytime if you need more time to read the answer carefully. This response clearly indicates its choice at the start by saying, "I prefer option B, arts classes." It gives two strong reasons: creativity and relaxation. Each reason is well supported with clear examples. For instance, the writer mentions activities such as painting, drawing, or pottery, showing exactly how people can be creative. The response has a clear organization. The introduction states the choice, followed by two body paragraphs, each with one clear idea. It ends with a concise conclusion summarizing why arts classes are beneficial. The tone is semi-formal, suitable for addressing community center organizers respectfully yet warmly. Linking words like firstly, secondly, and in conclusion help the reader follow along smoothly. Two helpful stretch vocabulary items included are opportunities, meaning chances or possibilities, and unique, meaning special or different from anything else. An important practical tip for beginners writing survey responses is to choose clear reasons you can easily support with examples. Using specific examples helps readers clearly understand your ideas. Organize your answer clearly with an introduction, main points, and conclusion to make it easier to read.